Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up online banking for Community Financial. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website. Then click on Login. Under the Login section, you will see an option for New User. Click on New User. Now enter your social security number, account number, birthday, and your last name. Then click on Continue. Next, confirm your contact information. If it's good, click on Continue. After that, enter the username and password you wish to use. Also, select a security image. You can choose from the provided images or select from your gallery. Once done, click on Continue. On this page, read and review the agreement and disclosures. Once done, click on the tick box to agree with the terms and conditions. Then click on the button that says Confirm and Enroll. Also, click on the text to view the required consent. Read and review, then click on the tick box to accept the terms and conditions. Then click on Continue. Finally, to log into online banking, check out the verification link sent to the email address you provided. Once you click on the verification link, you will be directed to this page. To start the login, enter your username. Then click on Sign In. To complete the action, you must verify your identity. Select how you'd like to receive the PIN either via text or email. Then click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it on the field provided. Then click on Submit. And that's how you set up online banking for Community Financial. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.